Hello, hope everybody is in the best of health. In this video, we'll be estimating how much does the YouTube channel Steveo1kinevo make. To get some statistics on his channel, we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far, he has uploaded 216 videos and amassed a subscriber count of 459,000. And his video views to date is 66,208,369. And his channel was created back in October 30th, 2006. And to get an estimate of how much he's earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator. And we'll be estimating that his CPM is $4. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views. And this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate, as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does a viewer end up watching an ad for, and also if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. But with an estimated CPM of $4 and his daily view count being 68,500, he'll be earning $274 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, leaving him with $150, and for the month he'll be earning $4,521, and for the year $54,252.